Most people think short-form content is easy. Quick video, quick edit, quick post, done. But every creator who has actually tried to stay consistent knows the truth. Short-form content is a fast treadmill. And treadmills never stop. What looks simple becomes overwhelming really fast. Ideas, hooks, voice, captions, timing, visuals, sound, exporting, posting on schedule. And then you need to do it again tomorrow. And again the day after that. And again forever. The internet never sleeps. And that realization hit me harder than anything else on my creator journey. Because I don't want to live inside my content machine just to keep up. I want to build the machine. That was the moment I understood. Shorts aren't hard because they take time. Shorts are hard because they require constant energy input. And energy, unlike time, drains fast. So I decided to build a system, one that would make shorts without me thinking, planning, recording, or editing every day. Not a shortcut. A structure. Not AI doing tasks. AI running roles. And here's exactly how that happened, how I built a short-form pipeline that operates even while I sleep. Phase 1, the night that broke me. It started with a simple goal. Post short-form content every day. For the first few days, I was excited. I brainstormed. I recorded. I edited. I posted. But soon excitement turned into pressure. I remember one night, I sat in front of my timeline, dragging captions, cutting breaths, adding zooms, making micro adjustments. The clock said 1:38 a.m. My hands hurt. My eyes burned. The timeline felt like a cage. And I caught myself whispering, if this is what consistency feels like, it will kill my creativity. Right there, I realized something crucial. Pushpin: if a process works only when you force yourself, it's not a system, it's a trap. And I refuse to build a life where content creation feels like survival. So I decided to stop being the editor and start being the architect. Phase 2, assigning AI roles. I wrote a line at the top of my Notion. Shorts should be a pipeline, not a grind. Then I built the roles. AI Trend Scout. Finds patterns, rising hooks, content themes, creator psychology triggers. Hook Generator AI. Writes 20 hooks every morning, emotional, punchy, curiosity-based. Script AI. Turns hooks into tight 1525s flows with breathing cues and delivery packing. Voice AI ElevenLabs. Generates narration in my tone overnight. Visual pipeline. Runway creates weekly packs of motion backgrounds. Editing engine CapCut template. Captions, motion, zoom, sound, everything pre-built. Posting automation. Zapier detects new file right arrow, uploads right arrow schedules at peak time. I didn't build tools. I built departments. Phase 3, the system comes alive. Here, what my automation looks like now, step by step. 1 midnight. ChatGPT runs a scheduled workflow. Pulls trending topics, viral scripts, retention patterns. Generates 20 hooks. Formats them. Sorts by impact potential. 2:12:05 a.m. Another AI agent chooses the top 3 hooks and writes 3 versions each. Narrative tone. Cold, confident tone. Cinematic micromonologue. 3:12:10 a.m. Scripts go to ElevenLabs. My AI voice starts recording. 4:12:30 a.m. Audio saved to cloud. Zapier pings Notion, voice ready. 5:12:35 a.m. CapCut auto applies. Kinetic captions. Glitch title burst. Neon accent zoom. Audio FX. Contrast and sharpening filter. I wake up. And there's content waiting. Not ideas. Not drafts. Not work in progress. Finished assets. My job. Review, adjust a detail, export. That's it. It feels less like I post content. And more like I run a content machine. Phase 4, the emotional breakthrough. When you remove friction, something profound happens. Your brain stops surviving and starts dreaming again. Instead of dread, I have to make a short today. You wake up curious. What did the system build for me overnight? It still shocks me some mornings. Opening files and seeing work done. Quiet, invisible progress. AI didn't steal my creativity. AI protects it. Because creativity thrives only when energy is free. Automation didn't make me less of a creator. It made me a creator who can scale. Phase 5, the bigger lesson. Shorts aren't the end goal. Automation is. This isn't about getting lazy. It's about getting intentional. My energy belongs to direction, ideas, innovation, improvement, quality, vision. Not editing fonts, not dragging frames, not manually posting content at 12 p.m. every day. Creators who try to work harder lose. Creators who build systems that compound win quietly. This is the new era. Not hustle culture. Automation culture. Closing. So if you feel overwhelmed by short-form content, the problem isn't you. It's that you're acting like the machine instead of running one. Stop playing the worker. Start becoming the architect. And tomorrow, I'll show you how I built my AI comment reply assistant that engages with audience questions, finds insights, and even detects content opportunities for me. Because content isn't about more effort. It's about less friction, more direction. Subscribe for systems, not shortcuts.